The sun, wind, heat, freezing, time of year, a new construction, humidity, and inexperience of the installer can all result in more cracks than usual in the Suretouch mortar. It is normal to have some cracks in mortar that contains a lot of calcium hydroxide, such as the Suretouch mortar. Don't worry, its resistance is 35 MPa compared to 3 to 5 MPa for conventional mortar. Why? Because we only have a space of 1¼ inch by the width of the mortar joints to make a cladding that is solid and intact. For these reasons, we strongly recommend that you have the mortar injected by a certified Suretouch installer. If you only have micro cracks, don't worry, since the Suretouch mortar with its calcium hydrate will continue to grow stronger over the years. If you have further questions, contact the Suretouch technical department. Breakage may occur during shipping. Don't worry, these stones or bricks can be used at the sides of openings, in inside corners, and in outside corners. When the order is placed, a 7 to 8% loss is included for damage caused by shipping and installing the system. You have a broken stone in a masonry wall? Use a pneumatic drill to break the mortar around the stone and replace it. Redo the mortar, trying to match the color of the original mortar. It is better to have too many weepers than not enough. Once the mortar is done, if you notice that you are missing a weeper at a place, you can add one. Drill a 1-inch hole at the top of the joint, taking care not to damage the adhesive elastomer membrane, and insert the Suretouch weeper. We strongly recommend that you apply the mortar to a complete wall section in a single day. Otherwise, you may have different mortar colors and this cannot be changed. There are specialists who tint joints and guarantee their work. In the weeks or months following the installation of the Suretouch stones or bricks, efflorescence may appear on the surface of the wall. This is a white mineral salt. This phenomenon is normal and will disappear over time. It is important that you never use high-pressure water sprays to clean the wall. As long as the mortar has not been applied, you can change the units, mix colors, and personalize your house.